In front of me is Chuwi HiPad Max, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message on this device. First of all, you need to open Messages app and select one of your chats. Then tap on this little icon with a camera and a photo at the bottom left corner of chat window. Finally, you can click on all of your pictures that you wish to add, or select Gallery section and pick them from here. Then click on Add at the top right corner. You can also select Gallery, then click on Folders, hold your photo over here and add it thanks to Select button at the top right corner as well. So when I click, as you can see, all of my photos were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!